Hello, sir.
Yeah. Let's move. If you remember last class, I have said you what is MKDI, make directory. Okay. How to create a directory, for creating LKDI. If you want to create a sub hierarchy, you will use minus P. If you want to create everyone in a one hierarchy, same hierarchy, you will do like this. To open, you will use what? CD. To exit from the folder, you will use what? CD double dot. Now, again for a file, we use what? To create a file, what we use? GV. Okay. To create a folder, we use mkdir. To create a file, we use what? GV. Okay. Next, to open a file in sub-hierarchy format, folder, you will use minus P. But sub-hierarchy format, you cannot open. Because within a file, we cannot have one more file in that. So the option is not there at all. Okay. In same hierarchy, you can open. Okay. For that, how to open? You can use minus P, minus O, minus capital O. What is the difference between all the three? It will open in a new tab, it will open in a horizontal tab, it will open in a vertical tab. Again, to create, you need to do like yes. Then save and quit, you need to do save and quit. The file if you go, there save and quit will be there. You will go the save and quit. That will create a file. If you want to open, again you can use the same command to open also. Create is also same command. To open is also the same command. Now, in order to grow, you can use file save and till here. Let me know if you have any doubt. Then, if you remember, one of the students I asked like, how about the project and what? Actually, what happens? Any company will have a two types of a project, either a full turnkey or what partial turnkey. What is a full turnkey means? I will give you the money. Okay, your my money, entire resource is whose? Your resource only. Okay, okay. Your resource will be there. Okay, I will not give one person also from my end. It means what? In full turnkey, all the engineers will be from what? HCL, and only Qualcomm will give you what money. In partial turnkey means what? Engineer will be from half will be from Qualcomm, half will be from HCL. And Qualcomm will pay them employee and their employee and HCL they need to pay. That is what we call a what? Partial turnkey. Next, if you remember, how to move or rename. Okay, move or rename in a folder. If you want, you can move the folder. You can rename the folder also. But here, file to file movement is not there at all. Folder to folder movement is also there, rename is also there. File to file, only what is available? Rename. Move is not available at all. We have seen that. Folder and file, if you take it, move is also available, rename is also available. That is what we have learned all. Let me know if anyone have any. No, no. Can we move on? See, these are all we have done already. Now we have an option called like what? CP. What is a CP? CP, source and destination. CP means what? Copy. CP stand for what? Copy. See, we can write CP means copy, where CP, source and destination will be the copy from source to destination. You can make a note of this. Then I'll give it, I'll show you how it will work. Let's move on. Now let us assume I'll create a one file called university.txt. This is the one file I have created. In that I have V2 Anna JNT. Let us call 3 units and done. So a file got created. I want to copy this file, data source, and I want to copy inside a what? One folder called I what? Eggs. So this is how I give. Now what happened? You open university file, EXI folder. There, can you find that file? University.txt. So you open the university. Copy it, copy. There, how you will copy? Copy source. Whom you need to copy? To way. Okay. Now, one more. Give one more university. I copy. I did this. CP University. H. Is there? So what is the learning here? Learning is this one. CP. What is this? File or folder? File. What is this? Folder. What is this? What do you call this one? The folder the entire we will be called as file only now. Because ultimately target is whom? Who your destination? File. So ultimately can I tell like this? CP file will be there. Okay. And folder will be there. CP file and file. CP folder and folder. What I wanted to convey means what are the possibility can happen? Folder to folder. Folder and file. 1 minute. Any other combination do you think? These are the maximum combination can be there. Which are the valid combination? Okay, first of all, is it this is possible? CP file name, file and folder. Because see, now onward going ahead, what happened? You got to know that key the behavior with the folder will be somewhere different. The behavior with file will be different, correct? In a move and all we have seen. Okay. Now onward we got a clarity that if everything we need to try with folder also, file also. Now, file is there, folder is there. Is it legal? I mean, yeah, valid or invalid? Honest people, what do you feel? Valid command or invalid command? File in the beginning and folder. Maybe slash is there or not there. That is secondary. Huh? Okay. What is this? CP? What is this? File? What is this? Folder pakka? Is it a valid or invalid command? Valid. University file got created almost like a created, you can tell in what? In the EXI folder. Do you agree? Valid or invalid? Valid. Valid. So what happens? File will be copied inside the folder. Do you agree? Now, what is this? File or folder? File. What do you treat now the guy? Folder. Ultimate not totally file. File, totally file. File to file. Possible or not possible? Possible. valid. File content. Another. Correct. Either it can be in the same folder or different folder. Anything can be possible. Now, here, folder CP AXI1. AXI1 is there or not there? What happened? Given error. Okay, I'll create minus. What happened? Minus argument. Cream. Okay. Here, if that example see here, AXI folder is there or not there?
Yes, it is
not there. It will throw error. Multiple time you do. Once you add one switch, all I got. You know what happened? Now next time onwards. So ultimately for folder, what is that option? Minus R. What do you mean by minus R? I don't know. Okay. Then what I'll do? Help. Recursive, reflect, remove destination, sparse, strip trailing classes, copy directories recursively. What do you mean by that? It may be folder, sub file, everything you copy. Recursively copy it. So for folder to folder, the command will be like to what? -r. Correct. Now, is it a valid? Valid. Now what is left of? The valid already done. Folder to file. Folder to file. Is it valid? Keep it. AXI folder. Valid, invalid. Huh? Invalid. You try anything. How you can copy folder to file? Folder can you copy to the file? Or file you can copy to the folder?
File can be copied to the folder.
Folder to file? Not possible. No. Not right. Invalid. Valid. Valid. Key for copy. These are all the things you are supposed to explore. Correct. So you can make a note of this.
See one small question here. There is a one home here. Okay. One more home is there here. Okay. And here in between there is one more home. Okay. Now, to this home, sunlight will come or no? Because here all the windows got packed. Sunlight will come or not? From the beginning, means suppose if they here you also home, here you also there. Will the sunlight will come?
Some samples.
Huh? Inside your home. No, right? Because something, if it is open space, then only it will come, right? Okay. Now the year passed. Okay. We already invented a new device in the market. Okay. We just need to connect to your sunlight. Okay. From that You'll connect a device. Then there is one wire. You just need to take it to your home. Vitamin D will come here. This is the reality now. Already you can check. Okay, how to take sunlight inside your home. Okay. Chalo, done. Can we move on? Copy. Anyone have any problem regarding copy? Copy done. Copy part is done. RM. What is RM? RM means remove. I tell you that RM minus RF. देखिए always you use it this command RM minus RF. Okay. Now example RM एक है. Oh, what happened? What? Why we cannot remove एक से? RM is remove it. This one. Okay, let me try. Happened? Why? What is your problem with your RM? RM is remove. Okay, why is it? Because एक से one let me go. Inside that there is a sub folder. Sub folders cannot be. For sub folder, if it is there, you need to use which option?
Minus.
What do you mean by minus here? Recursive. Recursive. F means force. Even minus here is fine, but only F is not. I mean, even if you give एक से example, I copy one more. When folder multiple folders are there, no? So minus R by default you need to use with every this. Now CP not R minus R एक से what happened?
Right for
Even if you try in your Windows also, if you try to delete some folder or file, it will tell it is a protected, it cannot be deleted. Have you got this option? Okay. So if you don't want all the function, it is asking you for everything. You don't want to get into all this. One stop. So always remember RM minus RF only. There is no nothing like a RM. What is that? RM minus RF. Next RM minus RF. Can I delete file? Yes. RM minus RF will go with file also. Now one single one. Okay. RM minus RF folder also you can give RM minus RF file. RM example. People are asking me, can I give like this example? LKDR A, B, C, D, E, multiple folders I have created. Correct. Even if you want, you can delete RM minus RF, B, C, D, E, all you can do in one shot only. Clear? Now, what I wanted to tell you is here. CP command. You take few commands there. MKDIR. Okay. How many variables you are supposed to give? Or folder or file name? Minimum to minimum. Yeah. For MKDIR, minimum to minimum, how many files? Folder or file you need to give? Minimum. Only one. Okay. CD, only one. But when it comes to the minimum will be how many? One will be source, one will be destination. Okay. If you come to the CP, minimum will be how many? 2 or 1? For MKDIR command to work, how many variable, how many folder or file you need to give? Minimum 1. MKDIR only 1 folder or 1 file is enough to work. Correct. For CD also?
1 folder.
Okay. For MV, minimum 2. Source is there and destination will be there. Copy, source will be there, destination will be there. Move from where to where. Copy from where to where. Okay. Now, what about remove? Only single variable. Single minimum is minimum I am talking. Minimum is one only. Correct. So you can do only like this. Folder and file. People are asking me they want to do 4 combination. 4 combination I need to do or 2 combination I need to check here. Why not 4? Previously why you said 4 here? See, minimum for copy is how many variable copy? Copy function need how many minimum? Only with 1 or 2 minimum? Huh? Copy from where to where? Correct. Minimum how many? So minimum 2 many. Obviously I will try all the 4 combination, right? Okay. Remove minimum how many? 1. Then will I try with all 2? Will I try with 2 combination? Not required. Only 1 combination. Either what? Folder or file. Here folder can be there, folder can be there, folder, file. Because what? Minimum to minimum, he need himself by what? 2. Clear? So MV I have tried 4 combination. CP I am trying with 4 combination. If you come with RM, I am trying with how many combination? 2. Why? Because 2 arguments here. Minimum to minimum, how many arguments? 2. Here. Obviously, you will get what? 2 combination. Both are valid? Okay, you're right like this. RM minus RF for folder also you have to. For file also. See, people may ask here one more thing. Which I don't want you to remember 2 commands. See here. Now properly observe. See here you observe. What is a.txt? File. RM a.txt. Can I do? Then RM a.2. Can I do? What is the learning? For folder, you will be having recursive. For file, will you have recursive? Within a file, another file will be there possible. For folder?
No, sir.
One folder, there can be subfolder in that, another folder can be there. Correct. But for file, we will not have anything called a recursive. See, keep in mind, whenever there is a file, what is this, file or folder? File. File mining are needed or not needed? Why? Why mining are not needed for the file?
Because we don't have file in a file.
Simple. We don't have file in a file. We have folder in a folder. File in a file? Not there. So, mining are simple won't come. You can make one note here. Okay. For anywhere, no need. We never have file in a file. Correct? We only have what? Folder in a folder. Correct? So, mileage are which one? If I write anything, error will come. No. So that is the reason I write what? Because the switch, even if you write, it will not impact. Even if you won't write, it won't impact. But here, switch is what? 900. See, that is the reason I don't want to teach you with the 2 commands. You just remember what? RM and RF for what? Folder also? File. For folder, if you try, it won't happen. Correct. Support. RM and RF. RM, if you try, it won't happen. But if it is a file, it will happen. So better to remember what? RM minus. Do you want to remember 2 commands for one for folder and one for file? Not required. Only remember what? Only one command. What is that? RM minus RF, folder or file. Okay, you can remember. You can remember. Can we move on? See, copy done, remove your button. For keep in mind, CP and even MV move. Okay, two argument command. You remember, right? Rest I all are what? One argument command. Can we move on? Chalo. Next, move on. What is LH? LH for to see the file or folder content. To see the folder content, you use what? LH. See, but what I suggest never use LH. What do you use? LH means LTAR. LTAR. Okay. What is LTAR? L for list, T for time, A for dot characters, R for reverse. Reverse or recursive is there? Reverse. Okay. You use command L minus LTAR. Okay. L minus list, time stamp, dot, R for reverse. Okay. Now, just one small thing. To see LS is for what? To see the folder or to see the file? Folder or file? You just tell me one word. Because everything you are doing for one folder, one for file. To see the content of folder, what you have used? LS. To see the content of file? Okay. If you want, okay. I want dot here. See. Alias content I want to see. Tell me. The example he AXI3 I will go here. Imagine the here folder, correct? I want to see the content of AXI3. Is it a folder or file now? Huh?
It's a folder.
Folder. So what I'll use?
Yes.
LS you use it for what? Folder content or file content?
Folder content.
But what I need now?
File.
Okay, people are here only. Cat, sir. Cat. See what people are telling to you LS only. From the LS, can you open?
No.
What do you need to use?
Cat.
Cat. Folder content, LS. File content,
Cat.
cat. LS. Mane LTAR. Folder. Cat. Like this, you can read it if you want. LS mane LTR in folder path also you can read. See, it's not like I need to go LS mine LTAR. You can give LS mine LTR and folder path or get into folder and type LS mine LTAR. Correct. No need of folder path because you are already in that folder. Now the for folder for file. You see the content. What content you want to see? Either folder or file. Folder means LX. File means cat. Done? Okay. Next, MKDR, GMO, CDCA, CP, man. What is man and help? I said, if you get any doubt, any command, man,
Man for we are already playing for Linux. Help for tools.
correct. Man ls. If you give what happen?
Manual.
Manual you will get it. Manual. Enter if you press, you will get all the available. Okay. Or you also can try ls minus l. Okay. See, you have two options. Man ls example. ls minus l. Okay. Manual of ls. They also command of ls. Both are same only, nothing changing. But note here, man is used only for what? Linux internal command. Okay. Example. And help for internal and external Linux. Command or tool, you can see. Done?
What is internal and external command?
Yeah, now I will tell you what is the internal command. Now I will keep telling one command, you need to tell me. Okay. Example ls. Internal to the Linux or external command? ls, mkdir, cp, rm. They are all what? Inbuilt of the Linux or what? Huh? mkdir.
Inbuilt only.
Inbuilt only pakka. Anyone in the throughout world, if they install Linux, by default it will be available. Example mkdir. By default available, internal or external? Inbuilt. Okay, CP. Everyone will have. RM, LS. Now, 1 minute. To extra SIM. By default, you will get. Or you need to install. Internal or external? What do you call this one? External. To extra SIM. One more you have no CAD and something like or virtual tool. Inbuilt or external?
External.
Maybe like a melt. There is one tool called melt, right? Inbuilt or external? Yeah, just 1 minute. Morning we have seen, correct? Some people remember it was. See, whichever by default available with Linux, they are called like what? Internal and external. See, example. Now, what I wanted to convey you here, man, if you tell mkdir, it's fine. Man to extra SIM, will it be fine? You won't get anything. You need to tell what? For extra SIM. No. You need to tell what? to extra scheme minus help. Here. Man music. I'll show you here only. VLib is one of the extra scheme command. Man VLib is working. Extra scheme is internal or external? External, correct. Extra scheme, one of the extra scheme command is what? VLib. Do you remember? VLog, VLib. VLib is which command? Extra scheme. Extra scheme is internal or external?
External.
Man will you use or help you will use? Huh? Help. You try man. What you'll get? You won't get anything. You try help. You'll get. One more thing. One more vlog. Is which command? To extract him one of the command. Working? Oh, working? Sometimes minus one help or minus one time or minus two times. You need to try both. Okay, you cannot tell like in one shot it should not work. You need to try both. Help will be for what? Internal or external command?
For example.
External command. Now you have seen for one of the command I have shown. VLib. If you give man VLib, will you get? You need to try what? VLib minus help or minus help? Minus help. Okay. Vlog. Man vlog will work? No. What you will try? Minus help or minus help? Got it? What do you mean by internal and external command you have seen, right? You can make a note. See one small question. From the mobile. Okay. See if you go 20 years down the lane, from one place to another place, people can hear. People if you think it's a myth, it cannot be possible, correct? Possible? Sound? Then your audio can be transmitted or not? Pakka? Just 20 years down the line, audio was impossible, we thought. Then 10 years back, video? Or video won't be possible, man. Correct. Now video is possible. What is remaining now? Audio is possible, video is possible. Next thing, what is remaining? Feel. Huh? Touch. Feel and touch. Possible?
Possible in future.
Already done. Who said future? Okay. For you, I'll tell you one man. Okay. Next time, if you want to kiss any girl, no, bring that device. Kissener. The device is already available in market. Okay. You kiss, the other person will feel it. Other will do, you will feel it. Already device is there. Now what is this? Feel or what? Feel. See where the technology is going on. Already market. See where we have moved already. Sound was impossible. Okay. Audio was impossible. We made possible. Video was impossible. We made possible. Feeling was impossible. Now we already started. Now one feeling we brought it. Slowly one feeling is started me. All the feelings. Slowly they can spread. Done? Pipe. Okay, pipe. I think I have said to. What is a pipe? Pipe is a command or operator? Pipe. Will you select pipe or you will use it like the symbol?
Symbol.
Or operator or command? Operator way you will use it. Correct. There is no command. Means you will not type like this. You need to use symbol. And you will call the symbol like what? Pipe. What is this pipe? What this pipe will do for you? See, I'll just tell you. Okay.
This pipe, example, there is one command here. CMD, one command here. There is another command here. There is another command here. Okay. Now, what is my requirement? You run this command. You need to run this command. When you run the command, you will get some output. That on that output, this command need to run. What are the output you will get it from this? On this command, you need to run this output. This command. So then we use what? Right. You can make a note. Okay, then I'll show you the example how to use. See, on first command, you want to do a, see, there is one command, you will get some output. On that output, you need to work. I mean, this command you want to run. You will get some output. You want to run another command. See, I'll just give you one example here. Okay. See, there are so many file shares there. Okay. Grep mining आई है. What is a grep? Sorry, question. Now here leave it. Here there are TXT file is also there, LOG file is also there. Do you agree? In this folder, 3 logs. What are the different types of files you have? What are the different varieties of file you have? Dot log only one. Pakka? See properly. I feel two varieties of file are this. Yes. Dot txt file is also there. Maybe one. It is there, right? And you have another file set of file. Log file. ls minus star dot log. What is this will give? List of. Or if I do cat star dot log. What do you mean by cat star dot log?
So what is the data interval?
Which file? Which file? Cat.
Without opening of file, all the contents will show.
Correct. Correct. Shall I press enter? All the file content printed. Pakka. I don't want all the files. In that, I need one line called I got error. Keep the error. I just need the line in all the file. What happened? Huh? What is the learning you tell me here? Cat is one command. Do you agree? Grep is another command. Okay, properly try to understand here. When you give the first command, what will happen? All content, all file, that is the LOG content will be printed, correct? Will be printed. Do you agree? What this will do? Grep mining IR. Where grep IR? On this result, you do what? Grep. What do you mean grep? Search. This is for what? Search. Search what? UVM error. Word you need to search. Where you need to search? Whatever the output you will get it, no? On that you do this operation. Cat will throw some kind of output. What cat will throw? Content. Content of all the logs. So that is the output. First command output is this one. All the file content. This content will go as what to him? Input. He will take this as what? Input. And will give you what? This as what? Output. Now wait, still not completed. Here, so you will get a clarity. One. And of the next. What happened? Once again, first cat star.log. What is cat star.log? What the cat will do? Tell me what the cat will do. Content of all the file. Pakka. To that, I have added a grep. What this will do?
Search for only one command.
Correct. Whatever the output you got from cat, it will take that as input. And in that, what it will search? Only UVML. Now, see, first was all the log file was your area of content. In that, you said, no, I don't want all the content. What I need? This line. Then when I was able to find this one line, what you said, I don't need this one. What I need? Only value. So, now what happens? What happened now? Entire UVM error we got or only value we got? Huh? Value. See, now I can tell you here. I have multiple files.
See, you have used cat tar.log. Why you have used? You have two types of file. TXT file also, LOG file. Which file you need? Which type of file you need?
Only
LOG
log file.
log file. So what you have done? Cat star.log. So this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. These three are available for you now. And content will come. On that, what you have done? Do you need all the content or you need only this content? UVM error. So what is the next operation? Grep minus IR. UVM error. So what will happen in this file? Now, out of 6 files, you reduce to 3 files. But now in the 3 file, what happened? You have 1,000 lines in each file. But you need what? One line only. How you have done? Grep. Now you got that one line. I have lot of letters. I need what? Only that particular value. Okay, I have used what? Awk. That command you can minus F colon. I think print NF something like this. Is it clear? Command 1. They will give star.txt star.log. Star.log will be the output. Input will be what? What is the input for him? Cat. This command input will be txt also, log also. But this command will throw what output? Content of all log. That content of all log will be the input for grep. What it will throw out? UVM error only. Okay, UVM error will be what? Input. What it will throw out? Value. Okay, here you can write what this will take, input what it will take, and what output you will get it for each command. So you'll get a crystal clear. Huh? Clear? So what do you mean by pipe? Clear? You can make a note. So here 3 commands you will learn in one go. What are the 3 commands? Cat, grep, awk. See, if you are not answering anything, online people, make sure if you are not answering, keep it mute.
Sir, could you please tell about AWT file once again?
I'll explain you one by one command, all I'll explain. But pipe is my major concern. Pipe is clear. Only that command, if you know, that is well and good. Rest you leave about cat, grep, awk, that I'll take care. Only pipe you need to understand here. That's it. Multiple operations. See, how many people know Ajit Doval? Ajit Doval. See, in India, for him we have one proverb. Okay, जहां तुम्हारा सोच खत्म होता है, उसकी सोच वहां से स्टार्ट होती है. Okay, Ajit Doval. Okay, he is a national security advisor. Okay. He only report to only one PM, direct PM. Okay, no any intermediate people also. He won't talk to any intermediate. His job is that whatever the decision directly with PM, signed over. That's it. And whichever the operation you take it with Pakistan, maybe they have hit him, maybe Sindoor or anything, all brain is him only. So you have one word. जहाँ तुम्हारी सोच खत्म होती है उसकी सोच वहां से स्टार्ट होती है. Okay. Now one small example I'll give you. Is it possible for Indian to get into this one? What is the Pakistan ISI, correct? Space agency ISI. Can Indian can go into that? Pakka. Can Indian any person can get a chance to work inside a ISI? Ajit Doval has worked. Okay. He get into the ISI and he worked in ISI. Okay. You know how he got caught? Okay. One of the person had noticed तुम्हारे कान में ऐसे खिलवाया क्यों है? In a Hindu, if you remember, will for boy or girl, piercing will do. Okay, girl will wear that, and boys won't wear it. That too, if you go to the North India, maybe Rajasthan, even boys will wear it. Okay. For if you are a Hindu, obviously piercing will be done. Correct, no matter which community you belong to. One of the Pakistani person has spotted me. तुम्हारा ये piercing कैसे हुआ है? हिंदू है क्या तू? Okay, he got to know that I'll be going to court. Immediately make the escape. Okay. See a person who worked in as an auto driver for 10 years. Okay. Not because he didn't have the money to complete his task. Okay. There is a plane hijack called Kandahar and all. If you see, he was the one who went with the terrorist to do the negotiation and all. Okay. So India's James Bond, we call him. 007. You Google it, India James Bond, you'll get his name only. India James Bond. Oh, who is Ajit Doval? चल. Now, if you remember, we have a three commands. Pipe command is clear. My enter can only, if you don't know awk, that is fine for me, grep fine. Okay, only pipe symbol is clear, this pipe. What this pipe will do? If 2 to 3 commands are there, 4 commands are there, on one command you want to do another operation, on another command you need to do another operation. Command concatenation. Can I call command concatenation? The one command. Concatenate with another command. Concatenate with another command. Concatenate means what? Join. Concatenate means what? Join, right? ये command concatenation you can see. Pipe. Clear? Okay, chalo. Now, pipe symbol is clear. Let's move on. The next comes awk. What this awk will do? You will get a lot of command, but which are in industry will be using, that only I'll be telling. Please note down this one.
Can we move on? See, what this command will do, awk is a powerful text processing command and programming language in Linux. Use it for data extraction, analysis, and formatting report. See, here also we did that only. Data extraction we have done. I will get one line called as key here without awk first. For awk, what is the input we have given? Here. This is the line we have. From each file we have got the line. But I need what? I need to extract what? Value only I need to extract. Data extraction. What awk will do? Even one word if you see data extraction. Okay. I want to extract only this. Okay. So how to do this? Awk minus F. Minus F is which you are telling minus F after what? Colon. After colon, whatever is there, that I need it. What? Print. And dollar. Dollar is variable. Normally in other language, will use like this. If you want to store in any this one, you tell no string A equal to hello. Print A. Now what is A? What do you call A? A is what? Variable.
Variable.
Correct. In C language or CPP, you will write it like this, or in a Perl, if you think, you will write like this. Correct. If you come to the file, not Perl. Okay. Now, if you come to your Verilog language or system Verilog, or you will write equal to example. Hello. And you will use dollar display if you remember. Correct. Here you will use printer something. Printer. Something that display you will do it. If you come to the Python, A, go to hello. This is what about string? String and all not required. Only you just tell a variable, you store whatever you want there. And print A. So hello will be next. Come to the Perl. It's not A, say what? Dollar A. Print. Dollar. What do you mean by this? Try to understand all the languages you need to know going ahead. Hello. Hello is of what type? Int type or a string type or a float type. String. Do you need to inform that one in a C language? A of string type you need to inform. It's not like variable. You need to inform which kind of variable you are using. A of what type? String type you need to inform. You come to your software language, this is correct. If you come to the hardware language, do you want to inform a variable meaning? Come to the script language. This is your hardware. For script, do you need to inform? No need. But for not needed at all. Directly you take one variable and store it. This is what about string? Don't I write int A? Not int A, it's only A. Shall I write float A? No A. Sorry, A1. Directly A1. Then you write A1 10.1. That's it. String A2. No. Directly you write hello. Clear? It is like this only. Clear? You are not supposed to tell what is the data type. Nature we don't need at all. You take one variable and store it directly. The same thing if you come to the Perl, we use what? $A. We will not use A. What we need to use? $. And shell means what? Linux. Shell means what? Linux. In Linux also we use what? $. Make a note of this. And that is the reason in awk what we use? $NF. It's not NF.
Dollar.
$NF.
Variables will be called defined by what? Dollar in your Linux. So you write in different language how you will use the variable. How to use the variable in different language? How we use variable in different language. Then what? See, is it first? This is clear. What do you mean by dollar? Dollar here. What is string means? What shall I tell? It gives you this key language to define a variable. If you tell what is string here, so we use the data type in order for a variable. Here we won't use anything. But in Perl or Python, we use what? $a. $a is a way you can store integer, you can store float, you can store what? String. Anything you can store in a $a. Clear? So it's still not clear. I'll just make one more thing so that it will give you more clarity on you. For you. In A10, float A 10.1. Correct. String. How will you define? Int float string like this. Here also. In A 10, float is there. What we have? Huh? What is the data type instead of float? Real, sorry, real. Okay. That's it. This is how you will define the data type key. You don't have to tell int, float, or string. You just write in one variable, you write it. It will automatically will detect. Here also, what happened? $a10, $a 10.1 float, $a hello string. You got, so they are all the language you will be using in your day-to-day life in a being a DB engineer. So you need to know all how we use different language.
Well,
Pakistan map look like what? Okay. You see the Pakistan map and down. Both looks like each other. See, previously, you make a note. Okay. It's like,
Okay. Before 2014, if you remember, every day in India, one or other blast used to happen from Pakistan, correct? Slowly now, karma has turned toward them only. In Pakistan, every day one fight now blast is happening. One side, Taliban, TT, Taliban, okay. One side, Baluch, they people are hitting every day. They'll kidnap their army only, not civilians. They are one level next. They will kidnap their army only. Okay. Taliban, they are hitting their civilians and taking the border. Border area already they capturing. One side, India. India water treaty we have suspended. Water only we are not sending. So I get what? If water is not there, we'll get a lot of problems. Okay, now summer is coming. Okay. And internally, when there is no development, internal riots will happen. Okay, how in Nepal, Bangladesh and all. Unrest in Pakistan. Already unrest has happened. See, our PM has said like, बिना गोली चलाए पूरा पाकिस्तान को खत्म कर दूंगा. And that is okay. No need to war. Okay, you cut their economy. Gone. Okay. See, first for Afghanistan. Okay. Pakistan used to send medical and all. They used to send. For Afghanistan, we said, hey, you leave about them. I'll send it in a lesser price. Okay. Their entire economy, almost thousands of crores, they are used to earn from them. That is gone. Okay. Wherever the people used to do the trade, we are doing the trade with everyone. And as a result, economically, we collapsed them. Okay. And on top of that, for these two people, India is supporting by arm and all this one. And they are hitting them. Okay. Just in 1 or 2 years, Pakistan will be there in the map or not? That is a question. Because Pakistan will be split into 3 to 4. One is Balochistan, Sindh, Khawar, Pakhtun, one more, and Sindh region, Punjab region. Totally 4 regions they will be split. Okay. All the place now, the riot has happened. Done? Can we move on? Okay. See, now you tell me what is the NF? Dollar NF means? What do you call dollar NF? One variable. Okay, because print what? The mining of colon, it will print something, right? You said like after colon, they will go to one variable first. That variable, default variable will be what? NF. Print NF means what? It will print the value. Clear? So if this command is clear to everyone, so awk mining of is which is after colon you need. After colon, everything will go to what by default? NF variable. Print NF means it will print that. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Okay. See, one more thing. Awk. See here. One more awk. I will find. Show you one. Awk. Minus comma.
What happened? Yeah, just show you. This file. It opened. I wanted all the content of first column. All the content of first column. Is it printed? What is the command I have used? Or mining have all these people are separated via what? Which file the CSV, the value will be separated via what? Huh? Comma. You don't know. I'll open this file in. See, there is a file. What I'm telling? Okay, open this file. There is regression report.csv, and in that I need only first column value. I need what? Only this one I need first column value. So what I said here, or mining app. What is this? Comma. Comma. They are all separated by what? Comma. In that, which one I need? First one. No, Baba. Wait. If I do two, second column I will get. We get second column. If I do three, second column error only you are getting error values. If I put three, I'll get what? Third column. If I put four, what will you get? So awk, can you see here what is the name? Awk. From the file, if you want to extract any data, can I use a awk? We awk minef. Okay, minef means pattern unit total. Previously you said colon. Now you are telling what? Comma. Okay, pattern unit total. In that print $1 means what? First column. $2 means second column. Third, Excel. In Excel first column.
Column, right, sir?
Column. $1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Like that you can make it to get the column. Clear? Anyone have any problem with awk? So you can make one more note of this one. In any Excel file, regression report .a one Excel file you can print. $4 will print what? Fourth column value. Then can we move on? So what is the awk here? Next awk is done. Next pipe is done. Grep. what the grep will do? Grep is used for what? Search. Now here the question comes two things. One here, how to tell? Okay, see, I'll tell you like this. Better I'll tell you. Here. Here. Hello, suppose ATV sequence. Okay. What is this? File search or content search? You tell me.
File search.
Huh?
It's file search.
Okay. File search or content search? File search. Okay. Now here example, I have one word called example. In this file I store one thing called message. Sorry, I store one word called Giannis. That's it. Giannis. What happened? Why? File search. But what you are searching?
Content.
Content. Content will be searched here? No. See that time what you need to do here is one option. Search option. Okay. All this type of system file content here. So if you do this, now we get a file search or content search. Content. Now you can go here. Example APV code. Let us check. File we have a word here. Delete word is there. So what is this? It will do file or content. Content search. It is not a file search, it's a content search. Now we have two things here. So first of all, even you got to know that here when we do anything example here when I do here we'll get our two options. File, content or the folder. File search or folder search. Now here I do this. File search and correct content search. What we have? We have two options. One is file, one is content. File, if you want to search any file, what is the command we use? Find, I name example APT sequencer path. We need to put as the path. Here, grep IR APV example here one word we repeat and path. Here, see, first of all, let us dig in two manner. One is grep. What is it? Grep. Grep means what? Content. Grep is used for what? Content. Now, IR means it will go inside file. I means insensitive. Insensitive means it will look for. Can you feel the difference here? I mean case insensitive. Any kind of giant it will find for you. R means maybe file in subfile anywhere it will go through everything. It will find through all the files. Okay. What this? Yeah. Therefore, mining IR giant. Okay. I and R means recursive. Which word you need to tell? That word you need to tell. And you need to tell me the path in which folder you want to search. Example, MNT D drive, you go and search. D drive, C drive, that path you need to tell. Is it clear? Grep is a keyword. IR is what?
is a kind of a switch. Insensitive and recursive. Gians is a word. And this is what? Path. Keyword, switch, keyword, switch, word, and what? Path. Any doubt till here? No. This is for your content search. If you want to search one content, one word in any of the file, inside the file, you want to do that. No, Baba, I need to check if file is there or not. Then find. What? Find. Then what? Path. Path. That path you need to tell him which path you want in a D drive. Okay. Do you have this file or not? Okay. And this is what? Switch. What we need to call? Switch. Okay. This is the keyword now. And this is the path. This is the switch. This is the file name. Like this, we need to do it. Okay. Anyone have any doubt? So keyword, switch, word, path. Keyword, key. Now here, if you see keyword, we also have a keyword, path, switch, file name, correct? One is a file search, one is what? Content search. Then, okay, we'll stop it for the day. We'll continue tomorrow, huh? Okay, tomorrow I'll explain you what is a grep and how to use a find, and that is it. Max to max tomorrow, maybe the last for your Linux. We almost done with it. Yeah. Huh? Where? Up and down what? That tomorrow I'll just do. Okay, then we'll stop it for the day. We'll go ahead.
The last 3 days classes were not posted on the YouTube, sir.
See,
So we can't.
no, I'll tell you one thing. Actually, what happened, I had said in the last class, we too started cross-checking who are attending or not attending the class. What is happening? Some students are telling, see, if you come to the via the Zoom, can we take the attendance? You have seen in a group that we have already posted your attendance also. It means that is possible. From the YouTube, is it any way to take the attendance? Do you people know anyone? No. What people are telling? Okay, see, some college people asked me recently, they share us who all are attending and how many classes they attended. For these people, anyway, I can share. What about these people? We don't have any records. Now, finally, what the student will tell, sure, okay, finally, you don't have to create a problem. No, we attended in YouTube, that, this, and all, correct? because YouTube we don't have any records only. Okay, so keep in mind we don't want to get into any problem in the future, because what happens if suppose if for this student if you give any fake certificate, that is a fake only. You're not attended, still we have given like that only. So you know that V2 now, if any company are giving fake certificate, what the V2 will do? Suspend. Correct. So I don't want to get into any of the issue. Okay. Because see, if you are in a Zoom, I have a record. If anyone, if your college people tell, I have evidence to prove it. Okay. But for this one, we don't have anything here. So that was the reason I have stopped it. Okay. Because see here, in the previous to this, almost 50% I dropped. They all are telling like YouTube, they are watching. I don't know who all are watching, who are not watching. So that was the reason.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay, so
But
we'll be going
actually,
ahead.
we attended the 3 days classes, but we didn't note anything. So
See,
there is no note.
no, I'll tell. See, one or two,
That
I'll see. See what happened. I'll be giving enough time in the class. Do you agree? It's not like I'll be rushing any time to complete the portion or anything. Okay. So I set n number of time also in the class. Okay, write my notes properly, because your engineering notes you hardly need for 6 months, but my notes you need for what? Lifetime. Okay. So that was the reason we are okay. So write the notes. If you not write, then it's a loss to you only, right? How will you write about diary and all then? What you have learned, and so by today I'll just upload a couple of previous class, but going ahead make sure you attend live class and note down, huh?
okay, so thank you so much.
Okay.